Hey traders, JW here. Just a quick catch up. Earlier today we had the fundamental stuff coming out from the Fed, and we saw some spikes, and it's actually the spikes that you want to stay away from. But what we saw was a move down to around about here, and then we're back in just above the 1658 area again. So I'm looking for a breakout of here. If we have a look at the hourly chart on gold, you can see that this was the spike down here, boom, and then it settled up down in here. Now I'm waiting to see if I get a break below this area here, which is around 1650. Silver's very similar. There's a bottom here at around $19.30. Looking for a break below or a bounce up. Now the two trades that we still have, we have the New Zealand USD. This is a daily chart. I've just moved my stop loss down to around there, just the top of the opening of the day. And there we go, we can see that a little bit better now. So I'm just going to bring my stop loss down here. Now we can't lose that trade. And in terms of where it goes from here, well, we've got some pretty interesting open territory through here. I've brought the take profit. I want it out of the way. I don't have a set target on it. And as long as this thing continues to run, I'll continue to just manually slip my stop losses in above the highs of the daily candles each day. The Aussie USD is another one that we're in, and you can see here a similar thing. This was the break of support through here. Here's my entry, and again I've just now got the stop loss sitting in there. And we'll keep doing that. Tomorrow I'm going to get up. We'll see how that goes, and I'll adjust the stop loss again tomorrow, halfway during the session. And as long as this thing keeps coming down, I will continue to move my stop loss down. You can see here that there's quite a bit of room down here for it to move. Whether it gets down this low or not, only time will tell, but I'll try and hang on to it. The other thing that you need to be aware of is the Bank of England. In a few hours time, roughly around about 6 hours time, will be coming out with a cash rate rise too, and we should see some action on the pound. So let's just quickly go and have a look at that. So here we have where the pound is today. We saw this move down, and when I got up in the morning I decided to take my little bit of profit here, just simply because I don't want to be in this trade with the fundamental announcement coming out. Don't always do that, but I've chose to do it because I didn't have a lot of pips on the table, and I thought they would be better in the back. If we get a rise in the cash rate from the Bank of England, would expect some sort of a pullback here and then possibly a continuation down. But we'll wait and see how that plays out. Again, we don't trade the news. We wait for the news to come out, and then we watch for opportunities after that. So without further ado, I wish you well with your trading through the London and New York sessions. Remember to protect your capital, don't chase the market, and stick to the strategy that works. Cheers.